In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove purchase history from Apple ID. Before we begin, there's an important thing to know. Apple doesn't allow you to permanently delete your purchase history. However, if you want to purchase to stop appearing in your regular App Store purchase list, you can hide the purchase. So open the App Store and go to the profile picture on the top right corner. From here, I want you to click the purchase history, and then you will see a list of apps associated with your Apple account, including apps you've downloaded or purchased in the past. So scroll through the list or use the search option to find the app you want to hide from your purchase list. Once you locate it, swipe left on the app. You should see the hide option. Tap hide, then confirm your selection. The app will now be hidden from your standard purchase app list. Keep in mind that hiding a purchase doesn't actually delete the transaction from your Apple account. Apple may still retain the purchase information for account billing and record keeping purposes. If you want to view your hidden purchases later, go back to your App Store profile, and of course, from there you can view the purchases you previously hidden and choose to unhide them if needed. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to delete your Apple account's history purchase list. Just remember, there's a difference between hiding a purchase and permanently deleting your purchase history. And as of the moment, Apple doesn't have that option to completely erase individual purchases from your account history. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.